Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove vocals from a song in Audacity. So I just opened Audacity and uploaded some music. So you can do this. And now if we just listen the music, you can listen it. Now this video is an update. There are changing channels and doing all that kind of stuff. Audacity has made it super simple to remove vocals now using a fantastic effect in their effect menu here. Just tap on this effect menu. Now just go for this special and now just tap on this vocal reduction and isolation, and then you just click on this drop down menu here and tap on this remove vocal. You can play this settings, but I have found in my experience that these default settings tend to work pretty well. So now if I tap on this apply, you can see it's processing and now it's done and all your vocals will disappear, and now we have that music used to have signing that now doesn't, and your all vocals are removed. And then you can of course hit command Z or control Z if you are on the PC and bring the vocals back. So that's it for this video. That's how you can remove vocals from a song in Audacity. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.